Good morning, children. All are you fine? Good morning, children. All are you fine? Surya Vidya Niketan, 5th class, term 2, social studies. I am your Bhagyalakshmi ma'am. Today our content is non-cooperation movement, Simon Commission, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, Indian National Army, Independent India. In our before classes, we discuss so many revolts, protests of the Indians to free India. Okay. Now we discuss non-cooperation movement. In 1920, Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement. He asked people to disobey laws peacefully. In Chauri Chaura, in Uttar Pradesh, some people set fire to a police station and 22 policemen died. Gandhiji asked people to disobey laws peacefully, but some Indian people set fire to a police station. 22 policemen were died. Gandhiji against violence and he withdrew the movement immediately. Some leaders are actively participated in non-cooperation movement. Those members' names are leaders such as Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, C. Rajgopalachari, Maulana Azad, Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, and Jawaharlal Nehru participated actively in the non-cooperation movement. The Simon Commission came to India to control the law and order situation. The law and order situation in India was getting out of control. So, England government appointed the Simon Commission. It came to India in 1928, but there was no Indian member in it. So, the Congress leaders decided to boycott it. A new group of revolutionaries, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad, Batkeshwar Dutt challenged the government. These are the new group of revolutionaries. Next, our topic is civil disobedience movement. But the Congress was decided to boycott it in December 1929. The Congress demanded Purna Swaraj. Purna Swaraj means complete independence. We gave complete independence. The civil disobedience movement began in early 1930 under the leadership of Gandhiji. The movement began with Dandi March. Indians were not allowed make salt, but Gandhiji and his followers walked from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi along the coast of Gujarat. Here, Gandhiji made salt and broke the salt law. The movement soon spread other parts of India. Quit India movement. In August 1942, Gandhiji started the Quit India movement. Quit India means leave from India. Quit India means leave from India. The British government was asked to quit India, and also Gandhiji asked the people. Gandhiji asked the British government quit India. Gandhiji asked the people do or die. Do or die in their attempt to throw the British out of the country. Many leaders were jailed. This is the nationwide protest. This is the nationwide protest. Indian National Army. The Britishers are, the England government also have one army, but our India has no army. So, after the Quit India movement, we form the army, that is the Indian National Army. Subhash Chandra Bose was the leader of the Indian National Army. also known as the Azad Hind Force. Subhash Chandra Bose was also known as the Azad Hind Force. He fought against the British. He gave the slogan Jai Hind. Who gave this slogan? Subhash Chandra Bose. India becomes free. After the Second World War ended in 1945, the British government agreed to leave India. However, it was decided to divide country into two, India and Pakistan. Before we get freedom, our India is divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. On 15 August 1947, India became a free country. Independent India. After getting of freedom, Jawaharlal Nehru was elected the first Prime Minister of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president. With the began a new phase in the history of India. In this lesson, we have so many slogans. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Who says this slogan? Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. There is no God higher than truth. Mahatma Gandhi. Who gave this slogan? Mahatma Gandhi. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. And also Jai Hind. These slogans are Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Children, you don't confuse here. So many leaders' names are in these two lessons. Some are Indian National Congress leaders. In that leaders, some members are radical groups, some members are moderates, and also some members are early revolutionaries and also new revolutionary groups. You don't confuse these names when you are finding. Children, also we discuss in this lesson the bits. Checkpoint bits. You see in your term book, checkpoint bits. Fill in the blanks. The dash were in favor of strikes and boycotts. Who were the favor of strikes and boycotts? Radicals. Aurobindo Ghosh was a dash leader. Aurobindo Ghosh was a revolutionary leader. Third one, Gandhiji's method of fighting was called. Gandhiji's method of fighting was called Satyagraha. General Dyer fired at the people gathered at dash Jallianwala Bagh. You write the correct spellings. Read and answer. A Roman. Tick the correct answer. Opposition to the partition of Bengal led to the Swadeshi and boycott movement. Swadeshi and boycott movement. Disobeying laws peacefully was the main objective of the non-cooperation movement. Disobeying laws peacefully was the main objective of the non-cooperation movement. The Indian National Army was led by Subhash Chandra Bose. Who? Subhash Chandra Bose. The first president of independent India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first president of independent India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Roman. Write the years in which these events occurred. First one, partition of Bengal. When the partition of Bengal occurred? 1905. Second one, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. 1919. Third one, non-cooperation movement. When the non-cooperation movement occurred? 1920. Very good. The fourth one, civil disobedience movement. 1930. When the civil disobedience movement occurred? 1930. Quit India movement is in 1942. India gets freedom. When the India gets freedom? 1947. Also we complete the get started. Get started. Children, I will send question and answers another video. You complete in your CW with hard words and question answers. Also, you learn the bits and also question answers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children. Worksheet answers also you complete. Bye.